Welcome to Go Mandarin Grammar.
华语语法战士
Let's take a quick look at
有
There are two meanings of
有
which are possession and existence. In this lesson, we'll focus on the second meaning
有
as an existential verb. When the subject of a sentence is a place,
有
refers to the meaning of existence. It expresses the existence of somebody or something at the same location. It's equivalent to there is or there are in English. The structure for
有
as an existential verb is place word,
有
object. For example,
餐厅里有人
there's a person in the restaurant. Or you can say, in the restaurant, there's a person. Let's look at the different parts of the structure. First, the place word. It tells the location of something and consists of noun and locality words. For example,
桌子上
on the table,
桌子下
under the table, and
餐厅附近
near the restaurant. The construction noun locality words is also found in normal locative sentences. Now let's move on to the object. There's usually no modifying adjective before the object, and the elements before it are usually a descriptive or numerical phrase. For example,
餐桌上有一颗橘子
there's a tangerine on the table. However, there are actually quite a few existential sentences with their object positions filled by either of the following definite noun phrases. For example,
学校附近有书店吗
is there a bookstore near the school?
学校附近有书店
There's a bookstore near the school. Here's another example.
瓶子里有花
There are flowers in the vase. What does a restaurant have?
餐厅里有包子水饺和热茶
There are buns, dumplings, and hot tea in the restaurant. Congratulations! Now you've learned the grammar points.
有
See you at the next lesson.